somebody who's asked a number of pages used in resume writing. Okay, so if you remember, the first thing which I said is a resume should ideally be of one page itself. And if you have a work experience of like a lot of number of years, like you have changed roles multiple times, so you have many roles which you can show, then you may take it to 2 pages. Ideally, everyone should keep the resume in one page itself. Maximum is 2 page, nothing more than that. It's a very common mistake. People take it to 3 page, 4 page, and I see huge resumes. But since HRs don't have time at all, the maximum length allowed is 2 pages. Try to keep it in one though. So even if
Yes,
you're
yes. It
experienced
makes
and you have too
sense.
many roles to show, you can even cut down those roles and only show 3 or 4 which were, latest or related to the job you're applying for. It's not like you have to show each and every role which you have done in all those years, right? You can write in the objective or the summary statement the total number of years you have as in your experience, but it does not mean that you have to show all the roles. It's okay if you show the latest ones, 2, 3 ones as well. It's fine.
You can focus more on the skills. What are the skills you have rather than just the roles? And elaborate on the skills that you used on each of the roles, and also talk about if you did a particular thing, for example, how did that affect the company's sales or the company's number, or the what change did you actually bring in? For example, if you were at a particular role, you were managing a team, etc., etc. So you talk about how you made a difference by being in that role. What was the value addition that you added when you were in that role to the company? Focus on that.